Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to another banger video. Hey, y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Young Carti, back at it again. And if you're new to the channel, man, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You're not gonna regret it, you feel me? Today I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to mix y'all vocals on Bandlab, how to sound professional. I usually drop a lot of preset videos. This is not a preset, but I'll drop the link to the preset just in case y'all want it. Hey man, but let me let y'all hear what it sound like right now, so I don't waste y'all time. Hey, if you don't like how it sound, you know what I'm saying, leave the video.
On the tight, nigga wrote a whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat with a glove, nigga, like a spy. Too high. On the tight, nigga wrote a whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat with a glove, nigga, like a spy. Pop out. Pop out.
Yes sir, man. Now y'all see what I'm talking about. Y'all see there ain't no cap. The preset is crazy. Yeah, man. Y'all heard in the before and after, the vocal sounded crazy. They sounded muddy. It sounded bad at first. Now they sound pretty clean. You feel me? You can get the same sound too. So let's go, man. I'm gonna show y'all how started mixing these vocals and what I did first. All right, gang. So the first thing I threw on this preset, I started off with a de-esser. What the de-esser does, if y'all don't know, it takes the S sound, that harsh, and it softens that S up a little bit and make it sound more suitable to the ear and not so piercing and harsh. Hey, so I went ahead and attacked the sibilants as quick as possible, and sibilants is just the S sound. Hey, so here are the settings I got for the de-esser. Okay, cool, man. After the de-esser, what we did next, we added something a little different. We added a vocal enhancer. What this does, it just makes your vocal sound cleaner. It cleans it up a lot. But I don't like to use too much because it starts to sound artificial and fake. You know what I'm saying? So I'm only got on 8% out of 100%. Hey, and hear what it sound like. It sounds a lot better. Yeah, like I said, man, the vocal enhancer cleaned the vocal up a whole lot. But it's still trying to add a little presence to the vocal and clean it up a whole lot more. So we added a graphic EQ like we always do. We gotta have it. Here the settings I got. As always, man, these settings is gonna vary because everybody using different equipment. I use the AT2020 USB microphone on this song for this preset or whatever you want to call it, this mix. Hey, yeah, so if you using headphones or a different mic or anything else, it's gonna sound a little different. You know what I'm saying? Just know I'm gonna give y'all a few little EQ tips. The 200 range, that's what like all the bass is in your voice. The 100 range, that's the rumble in your voice, the muddiness. 3.2K, that's the harshness. You know what I'm saying? That's just a couple little tips that y'all can know for the EQ. Yes sir, the EQ got the vocal sounding a whole lot cleaner, man. Y'all heard it. Hey, but now it's time to add some brightness. So we put on a exciter. Here are the settings I got. I didn't go too crazy because the mic I got already is pretty harsh. The high end is harsh, you know what I'm saying? So hey, here are the settings I got. Hey, if you watching the video right now, man, hit that like button, man. Bet that up, man. Next thing we got is a BL driver. Hey, what the BL driver does, it thickens the vocals up, beefens them up, you know what I'm saying? Makes it fuller. The mic I got wasn't that full sounding, so I added this. Just a 0.1 to the drive, nothing crazy. Anything more than that really will make it sound bad. So this is what I got, the tone on 16,000. Hey man, it did a little bit to the vocals, made it sound a little beefier, made it sound better. Yes sir, next thing we got is a DIGI comp. This is a compressor. I got a 4:1 ratio. Y'all know I always go with the medium attack and the fast release. Sounds the best to me for compression. That's what the settings I usually go for. So that's what I did right here. The threshold, y'all can change that up if y'all want to. It's customizable. If you want more compression, bring the threshold down some. If you want less, bring the threshold back up some. Hey, simple as that. But the compressor is needed to keep the vocals more consistent and more even and more level and balanced. Next thing we got another compressor to keep the vocals more consistent. Make it sound more even and full. Hey, so we got the TechLab BA2A compressor. Here are the settings I got for that. Just like the other one, if y'all want less compression, just come up off of the gain a little bit. I mean, just come up off of the compression. In this case, just back up off of the squeeze a little bit and you'll be straight. Next effect we got is a stereo wise, man. Just by the name, you probably can tell what it's gonna do. It makes the vocal sound more stereo, more wide in your headphones. Hey, so here are the settings I got. I like them nice full sounding vocals, but I ain't go too crazy because it will start to sound a little too stereo imagey, a little too like full in your ears. So here are the settings I got. Y'all can play with this too if y'all want to. Take it off, do what you gotta do. This is y'all preset to mess around with. Really, I'm not, this really ain't a preset. I'm just teaching y'all how to mix. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, when you mixing your vocals, you gonna need reverb to help the vocals blend in with the beat and not sound so dry and nasty. So this is what I did for the reverb, the studio reverb. The settings gonna vary on every song, man. I'm just letting y'all know y'all gotta have the reverb, man. It's a must, no matter what. The last thing we added, man, was some delay. Delay just kind of fills out the vocal, makes it sound a little better, you know what I'm saying, more full. I know we love that full sound of vocals, everybody do. That industry sound, you know what I'm saying. Hey, so this is what we got for the delay, man. When y'all mix y'all vocals, y'all wanna play around with the delay when y'all mixing vocals. Because some songs you might want like barely any delay or none, and some songs you might want a lot of delay. So, you know what I'm saying. Hey, if y'all learned anything new in the video, or if y'all enjoyed the content period, y'all make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Hey, plenty new content in the plenty new content in the future, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Hey, man, just like that. Hey, y'all boy, make sure to hit my Instagram, YSLKD__. If y'all need a song mix, I'm doing it for the low right now, man. $10 mixes until I get my laptop. Then, hey, mixes going up to 30. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm gonna have Wave plugins and everything. Hey, but I'm gonna catch y'all next video, man.
Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. On the tight, nigga, roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat with gloves, nigga, like a spy. Pop out. On the tight, nigga, roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat with gloves, nigga, like a spy. On the tight, nigga, roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat with gloves, nigga, like a spy.